What you gonna be doing today?
I'm gonna try and make a bottle opener and turn it into a leaf. I mean, wait, reverse that. Make a leaf and turn it into a bottle opener.
Cool. What you gonna make it out of?
It's gonna be a 5/8 square stock, and yeah, I'm gonna isolate about 2.5 to 3 inches on the end of this bar using half-pitch hammer blows, and have a two-sided isolated shoulder, and then I'll start drawing out the leaf using my hammer.
What sort of leaf?
Deciduous.
Deciduous. Nice.
Once I get there, there's a bunch of different ways you can pattern a leaf. I'll cross that bridge when I get there, or pick that leaf when I find that tree.
Even better.
I noticed while I was drawing down this paper that the very end is starting to, well, as one of my instructors likes to call it, form a cat butt. It has a little crease on the end, and it means that the surface of the metal is moving faster than the internal core of the metal, so it's sliding this instead of like fully like moving. So in order to alleviate that, I'm going to start hitting it a little harder while it's hotter, and I'm going to use a slightly bigger hammer so I don't have to work quite as hard. And also, I'm going to cut that little bit off so it doesn't get any worse. So now that I've cut off the cat butt and started over, you can kind of see that bulge in the center, and that means that it's all of it's moving, not just the surface of the metal. So, more heat and a bigger hammer. Take a note.
Okay, moment of truth. You have not tried this yet. Let's give it a shot. Here we go. World's watching. World is...
I don't think I did it right.
That's a lot of effort.
No.
I think that's
Maybe
a
it
bad...
works,
Yeah, kinda.
I'm gonna have to tweak it. Second time's the charm.
Yeah!
Fantastic.
All right.
I'm happy with it.
Nailed it.
There's a fly on my face. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below. This time around, I just did a really plain, simple leaf, and maybe in a few more videos we'll show how the different ways we can decorate leaves with foliage and whatnot. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.